Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Start by trimming and portioning 2 pounds of chicken into pieces of about 3 to 6 ounces each. Score the thick areas so heat penetrates evenly. Mix a brine of 2 cups buttermilk, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 teaspoon sugar, and 1 teaspoon paprika, then submerge the chicken and refrigerate for 4 hours. After brining, remove the pieces, pat them dry with paper towels, and let them rest 15 minutes to reduce surface moisture and help the coating adhere when you dredge. Prepare the dry mix by combining 2 cups all-purpose flour with 1 tablespoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon paprika, and a chosen blend of 11 spices for depth. Set up a station with the seasoned flour, a wet bowl of 2 beaten eggs and 2 tablespoons milk for egg wash, and a second flour tray for double coating. Dredge each piece first in flour, then in the egg wash, and press into the second flour layer so the coating is about 1/4 inch thick and adheres well. Fill a heavy pot or deep fryer with enough vegetable oil to submerge pieces and heat it to 350 degrees F. Use a thermometer and stabilize temperature between 325 degrees F and 350 degrees F while frying. Fry chicken in batches so they do not touch, cooking each piece for about 12 to 15 minutes and turning once, until an instant-read thermometer shows 165 degrees F in the thickest part. Transfer to a wire.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.